Joint mobility drill, inchworms to push-ups, also known as caterpillars. This joint mobility drill targets the entire backside of your body or posterior chain, also while warming up the shoulder complex. Hinge forward from the hips, keeping the legs as straight as you can. Now, some people will have tighter hamstrings, which will require some knee bend to touch the ground. From there, allow the head to hang and relax and let gravity take you down to the ground. Walk your hands out into your push-up position. Perform a full push-up. Walk your hands back into your up position. Repeat.